Excellency Ursula von der Leyen, President of the European Commission, Excellency João Manuel Lorenzo, President of the Republic of Angola and Chairperson of the African Union, Excellencies, Heads of State and Government, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It is a pleasure to join you today. This forum has in short time proven its worth by connecting ideas and resources and turning them into real investment. This year's focus on global connectivity is both timely and necessary. The world is facing economic and political shifts that are testing old assumptions about globalization. The answer is not to retreat or turn inwards. Our economies and security are intertwined in ways that cannot be reversed. The challenge is to make this integration equitable so that the opportunities and the benefits of growth flow both ways. But cooperation only works when it is built on the right foundation. We are here to discuss partnerships. However, the term seems to mean different things to people. For some, it's about giving instructions and setting conditions. For others, it means complying. Africa's experience shows that this approach does not deliver the transformation that we need. A good partnership does not create dependency. It creates value. If you want to work with Africa, a true and lasting partnership must be equal, with shared risk and reward. For Africa, the priorities are clear. We need infrastructure, technology, and industries to trade competitively. For Europe, the opportunity is equally evident. Africa offers a growing market, talent, and the natural resources essential for the green and digital transformation. Our interests are aligned, and this is the right time to turn them into sustained mutual growth. This is precisely what the Global Gateway can make possible if we remain consistent and pragmatic. There are already compelling examples on the continent. In Kigali, BioNTech's first end-to-end mRNA vaccine manufacturing facility in Africa is taking shape, supported by the European Union through the Team Europe initiative. This project is a milestone for regional vaccine production. It will reduce Africa's import dependency and strengthen our ability to respond to the future pandemics. This is a good example of a productive partnership with ripple effects that extend far beyond a single country. To sustain the momentum and the gains, financing must mobilize the private sector and strengthen local ecosystems. This is the spirit the Global Gateway should continue to promote. We thank the European Union for championing this platform. The work has begun, and we are making good progress. Rwanda will continue to do its part to ensure that these efforts translate into measurable impact. Here, let me end by reaffirming what President Ramaphosa said about the feelings he had when he was coming to this place. I reaffirm that some of us also felt the same. We felt the positive energy about business, investment, peace, and for power, I leave it for the next day. Thank you very much.